Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to lock Chrome with a password. So to do this, we need to first download extensions. So to do that, I'll first open up Chrome. Once Chrome is opened up, we'll go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. And then from the list of options, we'll select the option that says extensions. And under extensions, you'll see two options, that is manage extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. We will click on visit Chrome Web Store. Once we're in the Chrome Web Store, we'll go to the top search bar and search for Lock Browser. And a list of extensions will appear. We'll select the first one that says Browser Lock. Click on that. And once we click on that, a new page will appear and we'll click on the button that says Add to Chrome. Once Browser Lock has installed, it will open up by itself. So to enter a password, what we'll do is go to the top bar and click on the extensions button. Then we'll select Browser Lock. Then we'll see two options. We'll select on the option that says Open Settings. So this opens the Browser Lock page and we need to register before we apply a password. So we will click on the button that says Start Now. So as I said, you need to create an account. So enter your name, surname, email, and the browser password you want. Once you've inputted all of your information, click on the register button. And you're finished. You've applied a lock on your browser. I'm going to click later on this, and to demonstrate that the browser lock has been applied, I'm going to close Chrome. And when I reopen Chrome, so as you can see, it asks me for a password. So I need to input my password that I just used to register to open up Chrome. So this is how you lock Chrome with a password. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.